High-quality olive oil is typically characterized by its rich flavor, vibrant color, and pleasant aroma. It should be labeled as extra virgin, indicating it has been cold-pressed and free from chemical processing. In contrast, low-quality oils may be blended with cheaper oils or contain harmful additives, compromising their safety and nutritional value. Using inferior olive oil can lead to various issues, including exposure to unhealthy fats and additives that may cause digestive problems or allergic reactions. Additionally, low-quality oils often lack the beneficial antioxidants and healthy monounsaturated fats that make olive oil a staple in a healthy diet. To ensure you're getting the best quality, we encourage you to invest in reputable brands prioritizing purity and transparency. Look for certifications or seals of approval from recognized organizations. By choosing high-quality olive oil, you enhance your dishes and protect your health, making it a worthwhile investment for your kitchen. Mistake 4. Not reading labels. Understanding olive oil labels is essential for making informed choices and ensuring you get quality products. Many consumers overlook the information on the label, which can lead to purchasing oils that don't meet their expectations. Standard terms include extra virgin, which indicates the highest quality, and cold-pressed, meaning the oil was extracted without heat, preserving its flavor and nutrients. Certifications like Protected Designation of Origin, PDO, and Protected Geographical Indication, PGI, are also significant quality indicators. PDO ensures that the oil comes from a specific region and meets strict production standards, while PGI indicates that at least one production stage occurs in the designated area. These certifications help guarantee that you're getting authentic, high-quality olive oil. Please take the time to read the labels carefully and familiarize yourself with these terms. Being an informed consumer enhances your culinary experience and protects your health. By understanding what to look for on olive oil labels, you can confidently choose products that align with your quality standards and enjoy the full benefits of this versatile ingredient. Remember, knowledge is power when selecting the best olive oil for your kitchen. Mistake 5. Using olive oil for high-heat cooking. Using olive oil for high-heat cooking is a common mistake that can produce undesirable results. When exposed to high temperatures, olive oil can degrade, losing its flavor and nutritional benefits. This process, known as smoking, occurs when the oil reaches its smoke point, around 375 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit for extra virgin olive oil. Once it starts to smoke, the oil not only develops a bitter taste, but can also produce harmful compounds detrimental to your health. For frying or other high-heat cooking methods, consider using oils with higher smoke points, such as avocado, grapeseed, or refined coconut oil. These oils can withstand higher temperatures without breaking down, making them better suited for tasks like frying or sautéing. Instead of using olive oil for high-heat cooking, reserve it for dressings, marinades, or low-heat dishes, where its rich flavor and health benefits can shine. Drizzling olive oil over salads, or using it to finish roasted vegetables, allows you to enjoy its unique taste while preserving its quality. By making this simple switch, you can enhance your meals and maintain the integrity of your olive oil.